Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to import contacts in ConvertKit. Now, what I want you to do is first log in and on your dashboard, click on Grow and then just click on Subscribers, okay? Then just scroll down and click on Add Subscribers. Now, click on Import CSV if you want to import a bunch of contacts at once. So just click on that and then drag and drop your CSV file. So any other platform you are bringing these contacts from, go ahead and export from there. And then all you need to do is just drag and drop the CSV file you have exported and then map the columns. So for example, email address, okay, so you can see this is the sample data. I will go ahead and map it. So I'll choose email, first name, here we go, choose first name, and then last name, we'll pick that out right there. So I've mapped these columns, and then all you need to do is click on next. If you want to add any tags, you can add those right here. Okay, let's say we got them from the webinar or MailChimp, right? You can do that as well. And then once you're happy with it, click on Start Import. And then all you need to do is just wait a few minutes and they'll actually send you an email when your import is complete. So that is how you import contacts into ConvertKit.